Here we go again, guys, another video. As you can see behind me, it's an amazing Scania 500. Go on Instagram and follow JPL as well. You're gonna find a lot of stuff there, and they sell merch as well. So if you buy their merch, you buy them from me basically. So that's a lot of help as well. My alarm's going off. Feels a bit weird recording videos again after so long. I think the last video that I posted was about months ago, and yes, as you can see, it's beautiful around there because I'm in Scotland. I have this as well that I don't have a clue. I have this as well that I don't have a clue how it works, to be honest. I tried before, but I don't know how it works. But probably some of you as well. Let me know in the comments. I can't remember too well, but the last time I think that I went past it, I'm pretty sure I've been here before. I just can't remember from the top of my head. When you come around this corner in here, it's like a little castle that you can just see around the corner. I don't know if you can see it from here. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure that it's a castle just around there. Come on, love. Come on. Looks like she's just gonna go around the corner there. Alright, it's alright, mate. Not a problem, Moss. Just gotta make sure there's no one coming around the corner. I love these jobs. That's good. Wow, it comes around that corner there like he owns it. Yeah, I think everybody does the same. Yeah, there you go. I knew it. That was a castle before. I'm pretty sure it was. Okay. Thank you. There's another castle looking thing there. We're nearly at this place now, so I should be getting in there in the next 2 minutes. So let's go and find out what it's like and what we're gonna be against stuff. Woo. Right, here we are. That is where we're collecting it. Let me see how I do this. So it's quite bright today. Okay, gonna go all the way around, I think. Yeah, it's around about there, but it's too much stuff. It's too much stuff there. Oh God, that's quite bright. Not blocking anyone, am I? Nowhere to park. Okay, we find out. I think we're going towards the pump in here. Yeah, we are. So it should be alright just to get around. I need to get in there somehow. It's not that one. I'm trying to look around to see which one is the best place for me to stop so I'm not blocking anyone. Because right now, the pump is so right if I push a little bit forward, but it's people working as well, and it's a roundabout. I don't know why it's a roundabout, but they haven't got anywhere where people can park. Or I just get out and reverse into there, but that means getting the truck dirty, but it's gonna have to get clean later. But if that's the case, I reverse into there and then I get the forks on it and then go from there. I think that's what's gonna happen, to be honest. A lock and a helmet as well, just in case somebody start saying something that is not. Go and get it now. All right, let's reverse this thing into there. All right, okay. Well, I need to get in a way so I can free some space for people. There's space, but people can get out, trucks can get past and swing around. So all I'm gonna do is just go there now. Let's go. We get in the cab with a dirty jacket. It's a little bit of dip. God. It's a little bit of a dip there, but the ramps will go down nicely. Okay. We'll have not to drop her there. I'm gonna have to go and get clean. All right, that looks good. All right, sister lift. The line. I failed out when the back one came back because of the hole. All right, look around. Yeah, that's fine. Stay a bit. Yeah. Tiny. There we go. There you go, that's loaded. Ramps up. Get down. There we go. So that's up, and then ramps up, and then we get going from there. Yeah, I'm just pulling the chains out. I'm gonna put up the ramp first and then do the rest. That's 2 up. So where are we going? Oh, no. Definitely going for the wash after this. All right, the last one. Bit down, that's it. From one now. Yeah. Oh wow, what is it? Jesus, stand on in there. Yeah, I want that one. And give me another one. No. Oh, I saw them red ones. Alright, okay, I got 2 shins on the other side. Let's go and do the other side. Woo! Take that from there, and gotta remember, you gotta check it every so often. Hang around that. So now, before I leave, what I do is I check that everything is fine. All the chains, no cussle up. These chains are alright. Everything is good. Chain, knuckle, suspension. Chain. That's gonna crash down there. Alright, I got an idea for that. That should be alright. No, that's gonna make it loose. Come back with an idea. Alright. Take this off, obviously. Whew. Are you waiting to get in? Sorry? Are you waiting to get in? Yeah. All right, I'm out your way now. All right, cheers, mum. So, I'm happy that everything is fine. So, obviously take my boots off, try not to scratch the surface of that. No matter what I do, I just keep finding more stuff and more. All right, okay. Let's get out of here. Okay, just put this on. All right, all chains are good, everything is fine. It's easy as that. Well, it sounds easy and it looks easy, but shut up. It sounds easy and it looks easy, but it's actually no. Sometimes can be really difficult. And that's the side. Bye. Woo, look at that. Wow, it's bright. All right, okay, I'm happy with everything I've done now. So, now just to drive back down, and I'll probably stop somewhere and take a 50. Happy days. Go on, lad. Pull your indicators when you're in a roundabout. Jesus Christ. So, as soon as we get out of this little place, we should be fine. It's just this bent are quite mental, so approach slow. Hello. Yeah, we got. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stay there, mate. So I gotta take a little bit wide. Stay on the white line. Yes. Got another one in here, but this one is not too bad because I'm the one coming in, so I'm on my right side. Go on. All right, mate. Why would you do that? Well, you got the deliveries to make. Anyways, plenty of space there. Ah, he followed the mirror. Thank you. All right, okay. Gotta be careful with the girl because the trail is gonna mount the curve there. The last thing I want to do is just take it out with me. Just wait for that to go. There we go. Think about pedestrians, guys, as well. Thank you, sir. Always think about the pedestrians as well. Just be as safe as you can out there, guys. It's a difficult job. Obviously, when you're loaded, the trailer is a little bit more difficult to maneuver. It's really not. I'm just talking. Slow down a bit. It's a 20. All right, I found a good lay by now. I'm gonna make a coffee. What I actually do is I warm the water up. Turn this off. So what I actually do is I use this, I put the water in there and I warm the water, and this keeps the water warm for 36 hours or 24 hours, something like that. And I use it, and I tell you now, yesterday I put water there and was warm this morning still, and just a little bit left there, and that's still probably warm. But I'm gonna go and warm some more water, and then I put some in this as well. So come on, I'll show you what I do actually. So this is my sizzling kettle. I don't know, I can't remember what it's called. And this is my cooker. And another thing that I got is all this. I got food there for months, and that's a good stock, so I don't need to spend money on services and on coffees either. So all good. So in here I have the cooker, obviously that I'm gonna need. I got the gas, and I got water. I'm gonna use these two because they kind of full, and if I need more water I got this one in here. So I put my can there, and then I warm my water, put my warm water there, I can make another coffee there. So let's do it. Put that. Hey, that's working. And then just bang the water in it. Obviously just put it to where it says max. Yeah, last bit. Oh, that was warm already. It heats up quite fast as well, so you gotta be careful. All right, that water's hot enough. I'm not gonna wait for that to sizzle, to be honest. I put some of it in here. I already put some of it in there. So you turn it off, because I don't want to waste the gas. And look at how hot that water is. I think I'm gonna fill it up. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I even had a little bit of water left there. All this might seem a little bit excessive just to make a coffee, but the amount of money that you save is absolutely unreal. And I'm not gonna pay £3.50 per coffee twice a day or 3 times a day, depends how much coffee I want, when I can get it so cheap. A packet of this once is like £2.50 and brings 10. If you buy 2 packets, you're basically buying 20 coffees at the same price of buying 2 coffees and the services. So this is the cheapest way and the better way, because I wake up in the morning, make a coffee, just I gotta put water and that's about it. And then I get another one. All I gotta do is just make this. Anyway, gonna put all this away. We're gonna get away because I haven't got enough time to get back to where I gotta go, do all the collection and then go and take this. So I'm gonna get as close as I can with a little bit of time that I have left, drop this off. No, I'm gonna do a collection, then drop this off and then drop the other one. But that's gonna be all day tomorrow as well. But we'll make the most of it anyway. I hope you're liking this videos, guys, and if you haven't, please like, comment and all that. That will help. And if you do, I'm gonna carry on doing more videos like this. It's a lot to teach, it's a lot to come familiarize with, and I'm gonna do my best to show you what I do day to day. Today is just gonna be a short one because I got a lot to do and got a little bit of driving, and then I gotta put all this away. But at least I'm sorted for today and tomorrow. So last coffee of the day, and then I get that one away, and then I get to sleep. I will do a video explaining why I stopped being an owner operator. And it's so much that you'll be like, yeah, by all means do it. But yeah, it was a teaching lesson. I learned a lot about it. And if I would do it again, if I could go back in time and do it again, I would do it again, because it was a lesson that I needed to be learned. And the people that actually try and there, go for it. Don't let my little, I'm not gonna do this anymore, because the only reason I didn't do it is because I didn't want to risk any more money that I already had in the past. So I will do a video about explaining you why later on. But by now, like, comment and all that stuff, lads. Thank you. I hope you like the new unit. Before I go, can somebody tell me what I can use to keep the dust off my dashboard, because it's driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts for a really long time. I want to get that done. But cheers, guys. But before I go, I'll show you the truck a little bit. So let's do it. Look at that. All the way around. Lucky for the chains there. I've got more space at the front as